So when the toss into bed pass so wicket ground spell in the Sharjah captain 20 to Gumdo say last in a cricket. How does the problem if they say the series come to the pre-mighted wicket bowling to die decrease bowling 190. In Pakistan 100 is go though Apridi 20 to come today with bowling.
What do you say about Apridi?
Apridi last two in the get up in the 20 to come to Dr. Wadi out Paul bowling the crease bowling the crease no 100. Kamran ek my drop in the catch last two in Gippet door so 109 15 bowling say series I Said Ajmal दूसरा in the bowling the catch the crease say the Wadi Makram Shoaib Akhtar Wakar Yunus pass bowling the club the West Indies
Shoaib is very hard bowler. What do you say about it? That
Shoaib first bowler, you know.
The Shoaib Akhtar was bowling. They picked the crease when Wakar Yunus was Makram the Sibek the ball wicket bowling the crease 109 with bowling. The in the Sharjah Cup 20 the crease bowling the crease April bowling. The in Pakistan is the one that tossed in the grass made wicket ball at the winning 100.